Hi my friends, welcome to the Diamond Painting Effect with Cori. I'm Cori and today I have an unbagging. It's a product review for a company that I really like, and that's Vipcrosstitch. Vipcrosstitch is awesome. They have so much stuff there that it's hard to pick. So I got a couple of kits. They're stamped cross stitch today. Stitching is the only thing Vipcrosstitch does, but they do different kinds of stitching. But I usually get stamped cross stitching, and we'll get into it. These are my two kits, and they're both Joy Sunday kits, and they're both 14 count. This one they call Enchanted Garden. And I just thought that was adorable. It's a little adorable picture there. And so it's 49 by 33, so it's, I guess it's long, but not very tall. And here's the booklet. We have the booklet here. And let's see, it consists of 1, 2, 3, 4 front and back pages. They have 36 full stitch colors and 2 half stitch colors and 6 French knots. And the back stitch has about 8 different colors of back stitch. So the printed pattern on this booklet does not match what's printed on the canvas, but as you will see in a minute, the canvas has its own key. Oh my goodness, the cats just got into it. I'm sorry about that. So this will show you where the pages fit in the scheme. If you're working on one page, it shows where it shows up on the chart. So here I will show you the colors that are in this kit. Sorry guys. And they're just what I expected. They're kind of pastel colors with a little bit of bright in it for accent, and it just looks like a little garden party to me. And there's 2 needles that are attached to the cards. But there are 37 colors of floss. So, I'm going to try and not roll them this time and just see if I can fold them. And maybe they'll fit back in the package better. And now we're going to get to the canvas. Isn't that a pretty canvas? The colors don't match exactly what the colors will be because it's kind of nice to have that be different so you can see where you've already stitched. But you can see the whole thing in the view. So as you can see, it says up here at the top that it's Enchanted Garden. It has the product number right here. It's FA321, and the symbols look clear to me. I'll bring it up close. They are stepped on the grid as they should be. And I just think that's so cute. I really do. If you see along the bottom, they have all the symbols that are on here. So most of the time, you don't need to refer to your pattern. This is a 14 count, so sometimes it's a little bit harder to read, not because it's not printed clearly, just because it's small. So, I mean, this one looks like fun. Really fun. Joy Sunday does serge the edges of their canvas. Over here, it tells you that it's going to be 226 stitches wide and 140 stitches high. So, that is my Enchanted Garden. I'm really pleased with that one. And it's It's beautiful, I think. And we're going to give it just a little go to see if I can get it back in this package very quickly. And so far so good. I think it's going to go, guys. Also, the Joy Sunday kits have on the back of the back, they have the instructions for how to do this. If you've never done stitching, it tells you how to get started. It tells you the different stitches, plus a few more that you may be using in your kit. And then it tells you how to treat your canvas after you've completed the stitching. So all the instructions are there, and so there's no reason to put off doing that. Okay, this is another one that I love, and this one's going to be even bigger, and it's even a 14 count. So isn't that cute? And I just love that. It's a pretty reminiscent. I love the old time pickup trucks. I love the farm theme with the barns, and nothing more sweet than a truck full of puppies and a mama and papa puppy dog. So just, isn't that adorable? So adorable. Anyway, so we've got a pattern, the paper pattern. It seems to be about 4 pages as well, front and back. Again, the printed pattern doesn't match the canvas, but see, we've got, wow, 59 full stitch colors, and we got a French knot, and there is no back stitching in this one. It looks like, but if you want to, you could probably add it if you wanted to define something. And oh, so this is 8 full pages, which is 4. So the name of this kit is called Christmas Delivery Van. Here are the colors. We've got 2 pretty full cards, up to, it goes up to 60, and that's how many colors there are. Those are definitely Christmas colors there. We got lots of the reds, the snow, and on the back we have some more of the earthy tones, probably some of the dog colors here, puppy dog colors. And so that is that. These nice, and Joy Sunday has nice threads. And this one is big, and I don't know if it's going to fit in the camera. So I'm going to have to move it around for you to see. This is the canvas. Look at that. Oh, man. I needed another big one, right? Like a hole in my head. Okay, it has the information across the top, the kit number, and the name of the kit is Christmas Delivery Van. It has over here on the side the number of stitches that you will do across, 298, and the number of stitches you do down is 199. Again, it has the symbol Q legend here, so you can match up with what is printed on the canvas, and it goes all the way around the edge. We'll look at it up close. This area shows that they landed on the grid as they should. Let's find another area. Sometimes other areas are a little bit off. This looks like this landed on the grid correctly. There's a bit of fuzziness for me around some of the symbols, but it's clear as to what it is. So this one is another one that I think is going to be so fun to do. Again, the edges are serged, and oh my goodness, more kits. I want to thank Vipcrosstitch. They sponsored this video today by sending us this kit so we could have a look at it. They are a really good website that you can go to find just about any kind of stamp cross stitch you want. You can choose counted cross stitch as well. That's not the way I do it. If I'm going to do a counted stitch, I usually have a pattern or I don't know. I haven't bought a counted cross stitch kit from them yet, and I'm not gonna struggle with that struggle bus. That's what my grandma likes to call it, the struggle bus. Okay, so those are my 2 kits from Vipcrosstitch. I want you to go check. If you go to Vipcrosstitch and you use the code Cori07, that lets them know that I'm the one that sent you over there. And so I'd appreciate it if you do that. Take care, and I will see you again in the next one.